Welcome to Vande Bharat Media. It's quite premature to think of former Indian captain Saurav Ganguly as the next Chief Minister of West Bengal. But for someone who has been following Indian politics closely, I won't be surprised if that becomes a reality in 2021 when West Bengal goes to the polls. Over the last couple of months, I have asked many Bengalis, both intellectuals as well as ordinary residents, about this possibility. While most of them declare they would be very happy to see Saurav leading the state, they were not sure how that will happen in reality. Every out-of-the-box idea looks absurd initially. The prospect of Ganguly becoming the CM of the West Bengal may look impossible at this moment, but politics is not to throw many surprises at us. Though we are not sure what Saurav himself is thinking, let us discuss why this is the best time for him to plunge into electoral politics. The BJP has gained a lot of strength in West Bengal in the last 2 years or so. In the 2019 Lok Sabha election, the BJP secured 18 seats out of the total 42 and was barely 3 percentage points behind the TMC in the terms of vote share. But the fact remains that despite her several drawbacks, Mamata Banerjee is seen to be ahead of other leaders in West Bengal in terms of mass appeal. With a solid minority vote bank in her favor, the BJP is not in a clear-cut winning position as of now, and at least with the present state leadership at the forefront. In this scenario, sources close to the BJP have revealed the central leadership of the party might project lesser known but educated persons like Anirban Ganguly, director of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Research Foundation, or former journalist turned BJP MP Swapan Dasgupta. Central Minister Babul Supriyo is not out of the race either. Some say a complete non-political phase outside the party may become their CM candidate too. Along with its ideological vote banks, if the BJP has to fetch those 10% floating votes in its favor, it needs to project a leader with some degree of education, honesty and integrity, at the same time with a mass appeal to counter Mamata Banerjee. If we combine all these factors, Saurav Ganguly fits the bill perfectly. He is an educated, sophisticated and articulate man with the distinction of leading the Indian cricket team to glory. Significantly, he has mass appeal cutting across politics, religion, caste or creed, which is unmatched by any politician in Bengal. In addition to the BJP's core votes, Ganguly can help the BJP get those floating votes we have talked about, which will give the party the necessary edge over the ruling TMC. The central leadership of the BJP, desperate to win the state, had been thinking about Saurav as a leader in the faction-ridden West Bengal BJP. This was evident when BJP's top brass and Home Minister Amit Shah took the initiative to appoint Ganguly as the president of BCCI a year ago. Ganguly is an ambitious man who loves challenges. He is a proud Indian as well as a proud Bengali. Like the majority of Bengalis, he must be in deep pain to see the huge degradation of the Bengali politics and image all over the country. If given an offer by BJP, Ganguly should grab the challenge with both hands and lead the state to glory. That's it for now. Time to say goodbye to all my viewers. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates as notification. Till then, it's Vande Bharat Media signing off. Jai Hind.